Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Luz, and today's video is gonna be a keto video update. Whoop whoop! 100 days of keto challenge. We are currently on day number 10. Let me double check. I was wrong. We're currently on day number 9. So 9 out of 100, girl. We're there. That's where we're currently at. By the time this video goes up on Monday, I am going to be on day number 13 of keto out of 100 days. So yay, hopefully it all goes smoothly from here. But like I said earlier, I'm going to go ahead and share 5 things that I learned about starting keto this week. And these 5 things are things that have happened every single time I start keto, which have been quite a few. So I'll share with you those 5 tips. And I did also film a quick little update on how I drink my keto coffee. I still basically do it the same. I just switched a little bit of the ingredients, but it's basically still the same. I had stopped doing my keto coffee for quite a few months because I didn't have the tools, but I picked up a little gadget from Amazon that helped me get this little keto coffee going, and I seriously think that's what's helped me get into ketosis faster than the past few times. So let's get started on those tips, guys. The very first thing that I quickly realized about keto is the keto flu. I have symptoms that might be a little bit different from the symptoms that other people might be getting through the keto flu, but I would say do your research. Just Google keto flu symptoms and you will see what I'm talking about. But for me, it's more like a stomach issue and it comes and goes. But I find that to help with it, the more salty foods I eat, the better I feel in regards to that. So that's something that you should look out for. And your symptoms might be mild symptoms, or you might have really like strong symptoms. It varies person to person. So that's just something to look out for. The very second thing that I learned is that I would start really good. You know, my morning, I would try to fast a little bit or just eat and then eat stuff that are, you know, I'm supposed to eat. I'll eat eggs, some stuff like that. Right before bedtime, I would get the munchies. I just needed something sugary. My body was craving it. And honestly, sometimes I would give in by getting like 2 or 3 little pieces of cereal, and that would be like, oh, I messed up. But I was like, well, Luce, yeah, you messed up, but I could have gone in there and gotten the whole bag of cereal and ate that whole thing, but I didn't. I stopped myself from doing it. So I would say have a system ready to go. Now I have strawberries in the house and I have snacks that I can eat if I ever do get that little sugar need for sugar. I've seen that there's some chocolates out there that I've been looking for, and I also picked up recently a sugar-free maple syrup. That was so good with my keto French toast. Girl, you need to pick that up on Amazon. I'll link it down below. And the third thing is just getting used to the fat. Getting used to all the fat. In the beginning, the very first time I ever tried keto, I was so scared to have so much fat. And then I was not eating red meat at the time, so that was even harder. So I would say just go ahead and do it. Put that butter in there if butter is your thing. If not, get that coconut oil, coconut butter, and do that way. If you are not into dairy, I think there's other channels that do vegan keto. Go ahead and look it up on YouTube. Resources are out there, but we do need to keep that fat up, girl. If you're an avocado lover like I am, then it should be easy now. But if you're not, then find foods that are high in fat. There's resources on Pinterest where they tell you lists of grocery items that you can pick up. And also Keto Find Me Instagram account that I talked about last week. Girl, if you haven't gone to her Instagram, go ahead and do so, because that's like the basic starter pack for keto. The fourth thing that I learned, which I'm not very proud to admit, is that keto made me cranky, especially in the beginning. I was so upset. My boyfriend was not happy with me. He is so sweet and puts up with my crazy wild moods, but I swear I gave him the hardest time. And yeah, be prepared to be cranky. We are, you know, detoxing from an addictive item such as sugar, so we're bound to get, you know, a little cranky. Coffee helps. If you don't drink coffee, find something else that would help you. Do some meditation, do some yoga, go to church, pray, do your thing, and hopefully that should help you with the crankiness. And then the last thing that I have realized about starting keto this last week is that I worried too much about getting into ketosis. And I used to be like thinking about, oh, when am I going to get in? Am I in ketosis now? Am I in ketosis now? It's just going to take different times to get into ketosis. For different people or during different seasons of our life. So this last time I got into ketosis before the a day before the whole week. So a day before yesterday on Tuesday, because the week starts on Wednesday for me for the keto journey. And I think that was one of the quickest time I've ever gotten into ketosis. And honestly, I think it's just because I went in with the fat. I added the keto coffee to my drink, which does have quite a bit of calories. It's not that big of a deal, especially if you're just starting and you just get your fat in. Don't even worry about the calories in the beginning. Just get your fat in, get your body used to fat, get yourself used to eating foods with that much fat, and you should be fine. And then as time goes, even myself, I'm not counting calories right now. I'm just putting in all the fats, and it's barely been a week. This is a lifestyle. This is 100 days. Let's pace ourselves. I will eventually be starting to count calories, because I do want to get pretty lean for at the end of the 100 days. And that is it, my friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope these 5 tips helped somebody out there. If they helped you, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. I'm so excited. Let's hang out in the comment section down below. I hope you all have a great and blessed day. Take care. Bye.